This is an old railway line just adjacent to the Derby to Nottingham railway, which you've just seen a train go past. This was only lifted in the last couple of years, but look how quick nature takes back. Just through those trees there is the former Celenese power station. All this here is the land that was once Celenese. I think it's some kind of chemical works. The ballast, just change the subject, but the ballast is still here. The sleepers are still down. And I tell you what, those sleepers are as slippy as hell if you stand on them. So I'm trying to keep my feet on the ballast. Weigh a fair bit and all. But yeah, that's what remains over there of Celenese. That's some kind of new warehouse, which I think is still vacant. That's been up about 2 years. A few videos on my channel of that one. It's interesting how quick, the minute we stop using a piece of land, nature just grabs right back what was hers. See if we can get a shot of that power station through here. That power station in front there is set for demolition, apparently. And it was built solely to provide Celenese, this big factory that was once here, with power. I don't think it provided any homes with power. It looks like it used to where that stop sign is up there. Another line used to come off from inside there, which is inside the plant itself. Still a very busy line, that. You see the old platform all along here. I'm not going up there because well, I'm just not climbing up through all that. But look how quick these trees and things grow back. Some of the sleepers have been lifted from here. You can still see the ruts where they sat. Much easier to walk on this stuff than it is on these slippery sleepers. Suppose you could get back that way, couldn't you? There's another train coming. Pardon me. So yeah, that's about all there is to see, really. I think I've walked this place before, actually. Sure I have. Another picture of the footbridge over there. Well fenced off, this place. It's not unwanted trespassers. There's a look inside the site. Yeah, we'll get up onto the platform and have a walk down the platform. If I can get up without hurting myself. The guy's still over there. He asked me if I was looking for something in particular. Yeah, and that's the main line. Trespassers will be prosecuted. Oh, he's waiting for another train coming. Bloody busy old line, this. Right. Yeah.
Where you spring from?
Where'd I spring from?
Yeah, because I saw you come from
Just over that fence there.
And
Hey.
the Media UK, what's that?
It's my YouTube channel.
Alright.
Yeah, I just do all sorts of things really. It's just interesting to walk along the old derelict line there. I don't know, was it once part of Celenese, I suppose? Was it the branch to Celenese?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh well, enjoy your day.
Yeah.
Where did I spring from? We'll go up to Celenese and then that'll be it for this not very entertaining video, but you know, not all videos have to be confrontational, do they? That's quite a cute, quite a nice feature, the Bug Hotel. Spondon Bug Hotel. I've never seen anything in it. Looks like there's another train coming. 85 mile an hour along here. You would not want to be getting too close to that line when a train comes past here at 85 mile an hour. There's one, I think. Well, he ain't doing 85 mile an hour. That was it. That was Spondon Station and the old branch line into Celenese.